Soliom's best wireless, solar-powered security camera system. This powerful 2-camera setup elevates your home's protection with smarter motion detection that minimizes false alerts. It's perfect for businesses and large properties too, for peace of mind that never sleeps. These advanced 5-megapixel Ultra HD cameras features 360-degree pan-tilt technology that tracks and records every movement. The weather-resistant cameras record video at 2880 by 1620 pixels resolution and send instant alerts to your phone for complete control. The high-efficiency solar panels need only 3 hours of sunlight to keep your system running, even on cloudy days. Plus, the Homebase securely stores 60 days of footage without any subscription fees. With dual-band router long-range Wi-Fi, crystal-clear night vision, 6x zoom, remote sirens, spotlights, and two-way audio, you can monitor and communicate from anywhere through the Soliom Home app.